Unveiling the gem of Central Asia. Nestled in the heart of Central Asia, Uzbekistan beckons with a captivating allure, promising a journey through time and a tapestry of cultural wonders. This often overlooked gem sparkles with vibrant cities, ancient ruins, and a rich heritage shaped by centuries of history. From the bustling bazaars of Tashkent to the architectural marvels of Samarkand, Uzbekistan is a land where the echoes of the Silk Road resonate in every corner. Prepare to be mesmerized by the warmth of the Uzbek people, their traditions deeply rooted in the past, yet their spirit vibrantly alive in the present. Forget your preconceived notions of Central Asia. Uzbekistan will surprise you. Imagine soaring mountains, vast deserts, and fertile valleys. Picture ancient cities that once thrived as crucial hubs on the Silk Road. This is Uzbekistan, a country brimming with unexpected beauty and a captivating blend of ancient tradition and modern aspirations. Tashkent, where modernity meets tradition. Tashkent, Uzbekistan's vibrant capital, is a city of contrasts, where sleek modern architecture rises alongside historic monuments. This bustling metropolis embodies the country's dynamic spirit, balancing its rich heritage with a forward-looking vision. Explore Tashkent's diverse neighborhoods, each offering a glimpse into the city's multifaceted personality. Begin in Old Tashkent, where narrow alleys wind through ancient neighborhoods and traditional tea houses buzz with locals. Visit the Khast Imam complex, home to the world's oldest Quran. For a taste of modern Tashkent, head to the city center where wide avenues are lined with grand Soviet-era buildings. No visit is complete without experiencing the vibrant atmosphere of Chorsu Bazaar, the city's oldest and largest market. Samarkand echoes of the Silk Road. Samarkand, the jewel of Uzbekistan, is a city steeped in history, its name whispered with reverence by travelers for centuries. Situated at the crossroads of the ancient Silk Road, Samarkand was once a legendary center of trade, scholarship, and cultural exchange. Today the city stands as a testament to its glorious past, its skyline punctuated by the turquoise domes and soaring minarets of its magnificent Islamic architecture. Prepare to be captivated by the Registan, Samarkand's crown jewel and one of the most awe-inspiring architectural ensembles in the Islamic world. This grand square is flanked by three majestic madrasas, the Ulugbeg Madrasa, the Sherdor Madrasa, and the Tilya Kori Madrasa. Venture beyond the Registan to discover the architectural treasures that await in every corner of Samarkand. Visit the Gur-e-Amir Mausoleum, the final resting place of Timur, the great conqueror who made Samarkand his capital. Marvel at the celestial blue dome of the Bibi Kanim Mosque, a testament to Timur's ambition and the architectural prowess of his time. Bukhara, a city frozen in time. Bukhara, a city frozen in time, invites you to step back into a bygone era, where the echoes of camel caravans and the whispers of ancient tales still linger in the air. This UNESCO World Heritage City is a living museum of Central Asian architecture and Islamic heritage. Lose yourself in the maze-like alleys of Bukhara's old city, where time seems to stand still. Explore the Poi Kalyan complex, dominated by the Kalyan minaret, a towering brick beacon that has served as a symbol of Bukhara for over 9 centuries. Admire the intricate tilework of the Kalyan Mosque and the Mirai Arab Madrasa. Visit the Samanid Mausoleum, a masterpiece of early Islamic architecture. Explore the Chor Minor Madrasa with its 4 distinctive minarets. As you wander through Bukhara, you'll encounter artisans carrying on the traditions of their ancestors. Khiva, tales whispered from the sands. Khiva, a city that shimmers like a mirage on the edge of the Kizilkum Desert, evokes the romance and adventure of the ancient Silk Road. This UNESCO World Heritage City, once a major trading post, is a perfectly preserved example of a Central Asian walled city. Step through the massive gates of Khiva's Ichankala, the inner city, and you'll feel as if you've stepped back in time. Explore the Kunya Ark, the old fortress, and marvel at the intricately carved wooden columns of the Juma Mosque. Climb the winding staircase of the Islam Koja minaret for panoramic views over the city and the surrounding desert. Visit the Taj Howli Palace, a 19th century marvel of Central Asian architecture. The soul of Uzbek craftsmanship. The soul of Uzbekistan beats not just within its grand monuments but also in the intricate details of its craftsmanship. For centuries, Uzbek artisans have been renowned for their skills, passed down through generations. Their workshops are vibrant hubs of creativity, where ancient techniques breathe life into exquisite textiles, ceramics, and metalwork. One cannot speak of Uzbek crafts without mentioning the intricate art of silk weaving. In workshops across the country, skilled artisans create exquisite silk ikat fabrics. Ceramic art in Uzbekistan is equally captivating, with the ancient city of Rishton renowned for its distinctive blue-green ceramics. Metalwork is another craft where Uzbek artisans excel, with coppersmiths in Bukhara hammering intricate designs onto trays, plates, and decorative items. These crafts are not just beautiful, but also serve a practical purpose, used in everyday households and festive gatherings. A tapestry of flavors, Uzbek cuisine. Uzbek cuisine is a delightful fusion of Central Asian flavors, a testament to the country's rich history and cultural influences. From hearty meat dishes to delicate noodle soups, Uzbek food is a celebration of fresh, seasonal ingredients and aromatic spices. No culinary exploration of Uzbekistan is complete without savoring the national dish, plov. This iconic dish consists of tender pieces of lamb or beef, slow-cooked with carrots, onions, and rice in a large cauldron called a kazan. Beyond plov, Uzbek cuisine offers a diverse array of dishes to satisfy every palate. Start your day with a hearty breakfast of samsa, savory pastries filled with meat, pumpkin, or greens. For a light lunch, try lagman, a flavorful noodle soup with meat and vegetables. Beyond its historical treasures and culinary delights, Uzbekistan's true charm lies in the warmth and hospitality of its people. The Uzbeks are renowned for their welcoming nature, their genuine smiles, and their eagerness to share their culture and traditions with visitors. From the moment you arrive in Uzbekistan, you'll be greeted with open arms and a genuine desire to make you feel at home. Hospitality is deeply ingrained in Uzbek culture. It's not uncommon for locals to invite you into their homes for a cup of tea and a chat, even if you've just met. Language barriers are rarely a problem, with Russian widely spoken, especially in the cities. The Uzbeks appreciate any effort you make to communicate, and they'll go out of their way to understand and assist you. Whether you're lost in the streets of Bukhara or seeking recommendations for the best plov in Samarkand, don't hesitate to approach the locals. As Uzbekistan welcomes more travelers, there's a growing focus on sustainable tourism practices that preserve the country's cultural heritage and benefit local communities. From promoting responsible travel to supporting local businesses, Uzbekistan is committed to ensuring that tourism contributes positively to the country's future. One of the key aspects of sustainable tourism is preserving Uzbekistan's rich cultural heritage. This includes protecting its ancient monuments, supporting traditional crafts, and promoting cultural exchange. Many tour operators now offer community-based tourism experiences that allow travelers to interact directly with local people. Another important aspect of sustainable tourism is environmental responsibility. Travelers can contribute by choosing eco-conscious accommodations, respecting local customs, and minimizing their environmental footprint. While Uzbekistan's iconic cities and historical landmarks are undeniably captivating, venturing beyond the well-trodden tourist trails reveals a different side to the country. Consider embarking on a road trip through the Kizilkum Desert, a vast expanse of sand dunes, ancient fortresses, and nomadic settlements. Spend a night in a yurt camp, experiencing the nomadic way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. Hike through the Nuratau Mountains, a hidden gem of natural beauty. For a truly immersive cultural experience, visit a rural village and witness the traditional way of life. Participate in a bread-making workshop, learn the art of silk weaving, or simply spend time with a local family. Uzbekistan, with its captivating blend of history, culture, and hospitality, offers a travel experience that lingers long after you've bid farewell to this enchanting land. It's a journey that awakens your senses, broadens your horizons, and leaves you with a profound appreciation for the enduring spirit of the Uzbek people. As you reflect on your journey through Uzbekistan, the memories will come flooding back. The awe-inspiring sight of the Registan, the aroma of spices in Bukhara, the rhythmic clang of hammers in a coppersmith's workshop, and the warmth of a shared meal with a local family. Uzbekistan is a country that stays with you long after you've left. It's a place that challenges your preconceptions, captivates your imagination, and leaves you with a yearning to return. So if you're seeking an off-the-beaten-path adventure, Uzbekistan is calling. Pack your bags and embark on an unforgettable journey to the heart of Central Asia.